Watch this video to the end if you want to learn on how to scalp using the 5 minutes time frame in the market and get to make money for yourself. I believe a lot of traders don't know how to scalp in the market, and that's why they go to the 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame in order to scalp from there, which is very wrong. And that's one of the reasons why they get to lose money in the market and get to blame the market for taking their money instead of putting the blame on themselves. But in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do it practically so that you can get to the chart and get to make money for yourself, guys. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to do what? Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. So let's get to the video. Let me get to show you how this works in the market, guys. Let's go. Alright, so this is our M5 time frame in the market, and you're not gonna get entries in this place in the beginning because there's a process to everything, and if you don't get to understand the process, you get to make a lot of crazy mistake, and that will lead to you losing money in the market. Because any mistake you do in the market results to you losing money in the market, and that's why you have to be very careful whenever you want to get into the market to do anything in the market. So right now that we are on M5 time frame in the market, we're gonna go back to our D1 time frame in the market, because that's where we get the overall trend of the market and get to know where the market is going to. Then after getting to know where the market is going to, we get to know the next move in the market. So right now this is our D1 time frame, and on this time frame you can see what the market is doing. The market is starting to drop back to this side due to the fact that we've marked out this place as our entry point, and still on that there's also another move in this market, which is this place whereby the market can get around this side. Then from there the market now start rising towards the upside already. But we're not going to conclude on this by taking our entry on our daily time frame. So we're going to go back to what H4 time frame in the market. This is just more like a top-down analysis. Where we're going to get our entry is on the M5 time frame, because that's where we're going to get a move and get to make crazy figures from the market. So on the H4 time frame right now, you can see what the market is doing. This is another area whereby, look at the first place now. This is like a place where I'm expecting the market to get back to. Then from there we rise towards the upside, and this is another area confirming that this market can also rise from this place towards the upside. And there's a lot of confirmation around this side already. If you check this side, you can see that there's a pin bar candle around this side, which I'm going to mark out for you guys. You see this candle around this side? It's a very strong candle in the market. So this can be our plan A in the market, while the other side becomes our plan B in the market. So right now that I've seen this, now what are we going to do in the market? We're going to check this our horizontal line and get to check it on H1 time frame in the market. Then after checking it on H1 time frame in the market, we get to know if I thought it's going to work out, or some structures have been broken around this place, which we're not going to use in order for us to get into the market around this place. But get to get back to our M15, then we get to get our entries on the M5 time frame, because the M5 time frame is the time frame that is responsible for this move that is going to happen right now. So right now on this market, if you check around this side, you can see that there's a pin bar around this side, just like I've explained before. We're going to draw our horizontal line back to this place, which is the place where we expect the market to, get a retest around. Then from there we get to rise to the upside. But still on that, the pin bar wasn't taking the market, so that's a sign of strength in the market, telling us that the buyers are still interested in buying more in the market. And this is just like a reversal towards the side, or a retracement to come and get some confirmations around the side and balance some imbalances in the market. Then from there the market now starts rising towards the upside again. So let's go to our H1 time frame in the market. On our H1 time frame in the market, this is what's happening also. Around this side, you can see that this is two confirmation candle on this side, two hammer candle in that side, and from there the market just came around, got some kind of confirmation again. And look at this place where we have this confirmation in the market, this place right now, but we have this long wick in the market. Alright, so this place also has a pin bar around this side, and I didn't get to bring that pin bar, and that's the same pin bar I'm talking about on our H4 time frame in the market. Look at what the market is doing already. A retest around that side, didn't get to break the pin bar. Then from there the market is now rising towards upside. So since the market hasn't broken that, look at what we're going to do right now. On this time frame, everybody, the market didn't get to take this structure away, and this side is going to take the market towards upside. We're going to still look out for some kind of confirmation on our M15 time frame. Then from there we get to get our entries on our M5 time frame, because that's the entry point for us in this market. Then from there we get our confirmation, then we get to enter on our M5 time frame in the market. So on this time frame now, this is the place where we're going to get our entry. From the look of things, the market has broken it already. If the market has come around this side, I just mark out and got some proper retest around this side, then from there the market now starts rising to upside. Then I'll just confirm that this is going to be the move that's going to take the market toward the upside. But from the look of things, you can see that the market came on that side, got to break it a little bit, and that little break is not small. It might look small by the candle, but I'm telling you most solemnly that this is not a small break in the market. And right now that doesn't confirm that we're going to get a buy again in the market. We're going to look out for a position where we're going to sell from. Then from there the market now starts falling towards the downside right now from the look of things. And if you check around this side now, you can see some kind of rejections around this side. So these rejections are another strong movement in the market that's going to take the market towards the downside again. So around this side now, what do we expect? We expect the market to either come around this side down, around this side, or the market gets back around this side, which is not going to be strong. But this side is the area whereby I expect the market to come around now, or the market gets to come back around this side, which is this place in this market. Then from there we get to enter the market and get to make some sales, and from there we get to make more money for ourselves, guys. So right now on this market, two things are going to happen, which is one, either we get a sale around the side, which is our plan A in the market, or we get a sale around the side, which is our plan B in the market. And these sales are going to make us crazy figures because we're going to use a very good lot size, which is one of the things that people that use M5 time frame in the market to scalp, which is the scalpers, do mostly, and they get to make money for themselves. Because you as a scalper, you might think that you trying to scalp in the market, you get to use something like okay 0.01 to make little amount of money, or 0.0 something, anything 0.0 something in the market. You cannot use it as a scalper. You have to start from 0.1, 0.5, no good lot size that can give you good return if at all you get to enter the market. But I won't advise you to use one lot size if you're not yet perfect in your scalping, in order for you not to get to lose crazy figures in the market. So around this side now, it's like an entry point for me where I'm going to get to enter, and I'm going to get to make more money in the market. And if you want to check out for your take profit in the market using this M5 time frame, you have to squeeze your screen a little bit. You know you're not going to stay so long, and what you're going to do is calculate from this side now. But we have our plan B in the market towards this side and get to see how much it's going to result to. So let's make the calculations right now and get an offer. Alright, from this place over we have this our horizontal line in the market. For instance, we wanted to sell in the market using 0.01. Forget about the buy limit, it's just we're trying to check how much we're gonna gain if I thought we get to sell in this market. So we're gonna make $8 in the market. That's how I'll tell you most solemnly, don't use 0.01 in the market, instead use 0.1 in the market, so that when you get to win something reasonable. If I thought we get to risk around the side and we risk how much in the market, we risk $5, we get to make $82 in the market within that little period of time. And if I thought we get to draw it towards this upside and get to place our stop loss around this side, then we're risking how much? We're risking $3 to make 136 in the market. So crazy risk to reward ratio, guys, and if you're gonna do this, you're gonna make more money for yourself, man. I think that's all for today's video. If you didn't get to understand what I said in this video, get to watch it over and over again and get to understand more things about the chart, guys. See you by next video. Peace and love.